My name is Mabel Bubu. A parent to three lovely kids, and I'm based in Birmingham, United Kingdom. I came across Tech School through my children's lesson teacher back in Nigeria. I got interested in it, and I gave her a call, and she explained more and said, "Let me just send you the number of the principal of the school so you could have a chat with him." I had a chat with the principal, and I it was actually something I wanted because my last child, ha, he's good with technology, anything that has to do with the laptop, the phone. Sometimes when we are challenged, when I'm challenged with my phone, say no, don't do it like that, do it like this, and he's just barely 9. So I said, okay, let me see if we can just push him into this, redirect him, help him grow in this path that he has chosen. But I told the principal, I said, I don't know about the other two, but let me just see. And that was how it got started. It's been an amazing class. And funny enough, the person I thought would never be interested in it is even the one that is more interested in it than he's even the one that is more eager, asking questions, doing his assignment. I have a project to do, I have this to do, and it's really then the one I felt okay, this one is going to be good is that he does his thing, but it's not what I expected. It's a good one, and I'll encourage anyone to be a part of it. It's not it's not something you lose. It's a win-win game. It's a win-win thing for me. There's no win some and lose some. It's a win-win thing for me. The person that introduced me to Tech School, she didn't really say much about it. She just sent me a video, and I just watched the video for like 4 or 5 minutes, and I was like, wow, are you sure this is real? And I just made up my mind. And my kids coming into the school, I'll say that video wasn't a lie, because sometimes we'll have makeup videos. The video is not a lie. You come from nothing to something. Initially, when my kids, the first day they started, and when the coach was talking, I was like, how are they supposed to know all these kind of things they are calling? HTT, calling names and all. I said, how are they supposed to know all these kind of things at this age? Am I sure I'm in the right place? Am I sure I'm doing the right thing? Those were questions I was asking myself. I didn't even tell my husband, I didn't tell my kids. I was just like, okay, do you understand what they are saying? Say, yes, I understand. I would say I'm proud to be here, and I'm proud of the school because the video I watched wasn't a makeup video. It is something that is possible. It's something that was done by the students, not by the coaches, because from what I've seen so far, these things are done by the students and not by the coach. They are just there to assist and guide the children to do the right thing. And I'm proud of the school, and I want to say thank you to the coaches for being patient, because it's not easy. It takes a lot of patience to do this kind of a job. I want to say a big thank you to the school and the coaches. It's a job well done. Please keep it up.
It's been very engaging, and the beauty of it all is it's a privilege that most of us never had. That our children will be exposed to technologies like this. Some of us started technology even when we had finished university, even when we have done our masters. But right now, our children at this tender age have been able to manipulate and navigate themselves through the technologies and in the system. I imagine my children handling my laptops the way they handle it. Formerly, I used to be scared, but right now I beg them, please come and handle this for me. And I have this confidence that has been built up by this privilege that has been given to them. So It's not the money. It's not. It's the way your coaches have been able to flexibly handle these children, to bring them to this level, up to speed, to be able to have this confidence to do something for themselves. I really appreciate this platform. May God bless you guys.
Amen.